Welcome to your channel Wealth and More. Subscribe to get access to quality content about stock markets, stock levels, and more. In this video, we'll talk about Hindustan Unilever, which is one of the best FMCG companies available for investment in India. So this stock has made a recent high of 2800. So everybody thought that it was trading above this 2400. So it gave this breakout, but I think that breakout again. It got failed, I think, because it came back to same level where it was trading. So in this week it also made a low below this 2300 level. So what we should do in this stock? So if you see, I have made a channel for this stock. So it is continuously trading under this channel and continuously taking support on the previous lows that it has made. So it is into uptrend. If you continuously see, it is into uptrend. It is not into downtrend. This ignore this corona crash here. So it is a in uptrend from like many years, and it gives some correction. It does some consolidation here. So from here it is continuously into uptrend. So this correction definitely are there as a part of the market, but I think this is a very good stock for long-term investment. It is not a stock to buy for a quick 10% gain, because this is a large company. It doesn't move 10 to 15% in a day, and large cap doesn't move that way there. So what can be the range for this stock? So I say that 2300 to 2000 can be a good accumulation range for this stock, because it's a buy on dip stock. It is into never sell category, and it's into buy on dips. So right now I think it should take support around its current level, which is 2400. But I think it is trading below that. It is trading below 20 days moving average. It is trading below 200 days moving average, and I think it should be consolidating under this 2300 to 2400 level for now. But I think you should start accumulating this stock below 2300 and up to 2000 level. So it is a buy on this stock, never sell stock in this category. And I hope you like this video.